How to log in Snapchat without password. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to log into your Snapchat account without password. So let's get started. First, you have to open Snapchat application. Alright, after you are trying to log in and if you have been forgotten your password to log into your Snapchat ID without password, from your tap on forgot your password. Alright, so from this section, you'll have to just choose your options like how you want to reset your password by using your phone number or email. Right now, I am choosing my email. From the section, you'll have to provide your email address that was linked or associated with Snapchat account. Alright, after you provide it, tap on continue. From this section, a confirmation code will be sent to your email account, and from there, you'll have to just enter that Snapchat login code. Alright, after you enter that login code, you will be able to easily log into your Snapchat account without using your password. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.